What's up at welcome sa Pochoklak. Sa video po na ito, katulad ng aking nabanggit nung nakaraang video, titingnan naman po natin ang ilan sa mga relo ni Madam Small Laude, asawa niyang si Sir Philip Laude, at ang kanyang kapatid na si Madam Alice Eduardo. Pero bago po ako magsimula, napansin ko po, halos 95% ng mga nanonood sa aking channel hindi po subscribe, kaya po hihilingin ko kung trip niyo po yung ganitong klaseng content. Please do subscribe to the channel at hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Tara na!
No line kasi it's 3 p.m. here. First time there's no pila. Hey, okay, excited ka bang mag-boil with us, Bill?
Buti na lang po, malinaw na malinaw sa footage na to, no? Yung pagiging green ng relo. So yung strap niya po, kulay green yan. Yung dial niya, kulay green din. And then, pag tinignan natin yung K-shape niya, parang hugis television po. Dahil po dito sa mga katangian na ito, tingin ko ito ay isang Patek Philippe Aquanaut, the 5168G. Hindi po halata, pero mukha lang stainless steel ang case nito. This is actually in a full white gold case. Ang Aquanaut po, nung nirelease yan noong 1997, no, very interestingly, it was quite unpopular. But looking ahead to today, hindi nyo po makikita ang Aquanaut sa mga boutique kasi it's a very, very popular watch. And that was a gamble on the part of Patek Philippe noong 1990s, no, when they released the watch. And that really shows that in terms of design, Patek Philippe was really thinking ahead. Ngayon, ang Aquanaut po, ang SRP nito nasa halos 3.2 million pesos. Pero sa secondary market po, makikita nyo siya for 5.4 million pesos depending on the condition of the watch. Katulad po na sinabi ko, you would really have to resort to the secondary market kasi this watch is very difficult to find. No? Kaya if you want it now, kailangan nyo pong bumili from dealers in the secondary market. Pagdating po dun sa alternative, nag-focus po ako sa pagiging green ng relo. So, inisip ko dapat meron ding green na rubber strap, green din yung dial. Tapos, in terms of the dial pattern, mapapansin nyo, no, on the Patek, parang grenade yung pattern niya. And I wanted that to be present in the alternative as well. Dahil po sa mga characteristics na ito, I landed on the Seiko King Turtle SRPE 05. This watch directly traces its roots or history back to a diver in the 1970s that Seiko released. I always talk about Seiko, no, having significant heritage, and one of the aspects of that heritage would be its diving heritage. At noong 1970s po, nag-release ang Seiko ng 6306-7001, which had this cushion style case, and that's what the SRPE 05 is paying homage to. And I think that makes this a great contender for the alternative, no. Ang key differences lang po, ang movement nito, una, mass-produced. Pangalawa, yung bezel niya, hindi po yan malinis. Yan po ay isang dive style elapsed time bezel. At yung size po nito, mas malaki lang ng around 3 mm compared to the Patek Philippe Aquanaut 5168G. Ang SRP po ng relong ito, 34,800 pesos. Pero on the secondary market, if you look hard enough, makita po kayo for around 25,000 pesos. Ngayon, this is a watch that is paying homage to Seiko's heritage. Kaya tingin ko, hindi po kayo magkakamali sa Seiko King Turtle and any of its variants.
Gusto niyo ba yan?
Siyempre, sa kanila ito lahat eh.
Tita, wag na. Oh my gosh, tita, wag na. No more, no more. Thank you, tita. Gusto ko na.
Ang kailangan po nating tingnan sa relo ni Sir Philip ay una yung bezel niya na parang fluted yan, yung dial niya na parang ang daming laman, and then yung size po niya which looks substantial on the wrist of Sir Philip. Ngayon, ang relo po na ito, dahil sa characteristics na yan, tingin ko, ay isang Sky Dweller, the reference 336934. Ang Sky Dweller po, no, has a very unique movement. Nakakapag-track po yan ng up to 2 time zones, and the way it does this is very unique. And annual calendar function po, meron din ang relo na ito. At napaka-interesting po sa akin kasi sa footage na ito, mapapansin nyo, parang may blue rubber strap si Sir Phil na inilagay sa relo. And as I've said in one of my videos before, I think doon sa video ng Speedmaster, no, na kung saan tinalakay ko ang relo ni Sir Bam Aquino or Senator Bam Aquino, yung pagpapalit po ng strap really changes the character of the watch, and that makes me think that si Sir Philip po, no, is very creative or willing to explore when it comes to the watches that he wears. Ngayon, ang SRP po ng relo na ito ay nasa 966,000 pesos. Pero on the secondary market, you can find it for up to 1.4 million pesos. In terms of the alternative naman po, I wanted to go simple. I wanted to focus on the bezel, yung color ng dial, pati yung bracelet style. And that really brought me to Timex, as I normally go to, no? Yung Timex Waterbury Legacy, the one in 41 millimeters. So, ang key concession po dito, yung full stainless steel na case and bracelet, kasi sa suot po na relo ni Sir Phil, yan po ay merong white gold na bezel. And then, quartz po ang movement nito. And speaking of the movement, medyo simple po ito. Kaya yung dial display ng Timex Waterbury would be very straightforward compared to the Sky Dweller. Pero price-wise kasi, this comes in at 12,295 pesos ang SRP ng relong ito. Mabilis po maubos, pero if you're patient, I think Timex will restock. Unlike Rolex, no, hindi po yun nagre-restock. Kaya if you're patient and you like the look that Sir Phil is wearing here, I think you cannot go wrong with the Timex Waterbury.
Okay.
Bye!
Ayan.
Okay, so dito po, no, kailangan natin tingnan yung K-shape niya na tonneau shaped. Yung sheen niya, pati yung color ng relo na very dark, no. It comes out as quite a dark colored watch in this footage. And dahil po dyan, tingin ko, this is a Richard Mille, the RM07 with factory set diamonds. When I look at footage, no, of small, pati po si Madam Alice, si Madam Melba, napapansin ko parang silang magkakapatid po. Meron silang lahat ng RM07, no, in different colors. Pero for this one, let's focus on what Madam Alice is wearing on her wrist. I do have information around what it costs in the secondary market, and I've seen that it can cost up to 16 million pesos. At dahil wala po niyan sa Philippine market, kung interesado po kayo, you will have to pay shipping, taxes, and duties. Ang RM po, no, or ang Richard Mille, has watches that are very highly priced, even more than Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Vacheron Constantin, which are considered the top 3 when it comes to Swiss watchmaking, no. So Richard Mille entered the industry in the early 2000s, and it's proven to be quite a formidable force in this industry already. Ngayon, in terms of the alternative po, I went with 2 alternatives this time around, but from the same brand. Una po ang Philip Stein Signature Evolution. Ngayon, nung pinili ko po ito, talagang naging focus ko yung case shape niya, pati yung black strap, no. Ang key concessions lang po dito, quartz, tapos itong unang recommendation ko has no diamonds. Pero on the flip side, maganda-ganda rin kasi it can track up to 2 time zones, no. Kasi mapapansin nyo po, parang dalawa yung dial ng relo na ito. Ang SRP po niya is 50,400 pesos, and it is discounted right now. Nasa 37,800 pesos na lang po compared sa original SRP. I've put the link in the description to Luzerne Lux now, which is one of the official dealers of, or authorized dealers of Philip Stein. Yung pangalawa pong alternative from the same brand, again, I focused on the case shape and the black strap, but this time around meron pong diamonds, no, and I really wanted this to be quite special, kaya yung dial niya has a mother of pearl dial. Ito po ang Philip Stein Signature Evolution Mini. Ang SRP po nito ay nasa 135,000 pesos, pero katulad po nung relo kanina na Philip Stein din, this is also discounted and is now at 101,250. Now, ito pong dalawang relo na alternative are still quite expensive, but I think when comparing them to the RM07, you're achieving a lot of that look for a fraction of the price. Kaya po, I really will recommend to go with these alternatives just in case napupusuan nyo po yung ganitong klaseng look ng relo na suot ni Madam Alice at na meron din po si Madam Small pati si Madam Melba.
Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course.
Ayun! Nakita na natin ang Patek Philippe Aquanaut ni Madam Small Laude. Nakita na rin po natin ang Sky Dweller ni Sir Philip Laude. At nakita na natin ang RM07 from Richard Mille ng tatlong magkakapatid na Small, Alice at Melba. Sa tatlong relong ito po, ang pinakapaborito ko, yung Patek Philippe Aquanaut in the green color. Yan po ay primarily dahil meron po akong bias towards the color green. And then doon naman po tayo sa alternatives. Paborito ko naman po yung Seiko King Turtle SRPE 05. Yan din po ay dahil sa bias ko towards the color green. Pero bukod po dyan, I do like what the King Turtle symbolizes in terms of its place in Seiko's history as well as in the history of dive washes as well as this style of case. Pero opinion ko lang po yan. Kung iba po ang inyong opinion, kung tingin nyo meron pong ibang alternatives na mas angkop, pati kung tingin nyo po meron pang i-improve ang channel na ito, please let me know in the comment section down below. And then kung trip nyo po yung ganitong klase ng content, please do like and subscribe to the channel, no? And hit the bell icon while you're at it. Malaking tulong po sa akin ang pag-like at pag-subscribe po sa mga video at sa channel po na ito. At maraming salamat po sa oras ng panonood. Laters, yo!